Today I am going to describe or explain the use of the pronoun. Misuse of the personal pronoun. Video related to personal pronoun has been uploaded by me past day, that is on Thursday. Today I am going to describe how personal pronouns are used and what are the functions of the personal pronoun. So first of all I am going to describe how or for what purposes the personal pronouns are used. As I told yesterday through the with the help of graph that I, we, me, us, my, mine, ours, all these come under the category of first person pronoun. Second person pronoun you, your, yours, all these comes under the second person pronoun. And third person pronoun he, she, it, they, him, her, it, them, his, her, hers, it, their, theirs. All these comes under the category of third person pronoun. More than this, I also told yesterday to all of you that I, we, you, he, she, it, they, all these come under the category of nominative case, or you can say in other words, subjective case. And objective case or objective form of all these are the I, me, us, you, him, her, it, them, etc. And this is the my, mine, our, source, etc. are the possessive form of the personal pronouns. So first of all, I would like here to tell how personal pronoun nominative case is used and how many senses or for how many purposes these nominative cases are used. So first of all, I is used to refer self. Here, self means I is used to refer self. सेल्फ के लिए यूज होता है एंड इट यूज इन हिंदी सेंस मैं आई मैं सेल्फ एंड सेल्फ एक्सप्रेशन एंड फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम अ स्टूडेंट where I is telling about the self or the student is the person is talking about himself. Further, I will go to market, the same person is talking about self that he was or he is going to market in future, near future time. So there is no particular, there are not many use of I. I is singular person, common noun, it takes the plural verb have, do, and etc. Plural form is form of verb for its need and action, to express action. Then we come to the word for second first person pronoun we. We is used for so many purposes. We is used to refer in the sense of I. Means we also expresses the sense of I. Example, we want to have a cup of tea. हम एक कप कॉफी चाहते हैं. इन सिंपल लिटरल मीनिंग इट इज गिविंग द सेंस दैट हम लोग या हम जो है एक कप कॉफी, देयर इज नीड ऑफ अ कप ऑफ टी to us. Here is king, but indirect way it is expressing that the person who is speaking in mentioning himself also through the word we. इसको पर्सन जो कह रहा है कि हमें एक कप कॉफी चाहिए we, then कहीं ना कहीं वो इनडायरेक्ट अपने को भी इंक्लूड कर रहा है. मीन्स वो कह रहा है कि लोगों को मुझे भी चाहिए. सो दिस सेंस I here is expressed by the word we. Second use, we is used to refer any higher authority. we जो है तो कोई हायर अथॉरिटी के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है. वी इज यूज टू द हायर अथॉरिटी, हायर पोस्ट और डिग्निटरीज लाइक किंग, क्वीन, डीएम, एसपी एंड अदर respectable and honorable posts. For example, we have ordered to stop nuisance. We have ordered to stop nuisance. Here, why this we is used to king, queen, DM, etc. Because all these represent the whole community, whole group. King orders with his ministers. Raj, that is called Sabha. Queen also same with DM with his senior and junior authorities. SP in same way. So all these represent the community whole, group whole. So we have ordered to stop nuisance. कोई कोई एसपी हो या डीएम हो जिससे शोर शराबा या पब्लिक परेशानी। सो डीएम कह रहा है कि हमने पब्लिक परेशानी को, या एसपी कह रहा है कोई भी पब्लिक परेशानी को रोकने का आदेश दिया है हमने। सो नॉट ओनली एसपी, या एसपी इज रिफरिंग हिमसेल्फ with we. If SP says I have ordered to stop process, then it will become wrong. King, if king says we, the king ordered here to hang culprit. हमने अपराधी, कल्प्रिट मीन्स अपराधी, अपराधी को फांसी लटकाने की सजा दे रखी है, दे दिया है, आदेश पारित कर दिया है। तो किंग और क्वीन will say we. He can't say I. If he says I, it will wrong, because here king and queen the passes order himself, but indirectly it is passes through the whole its court, royal court. So in royal court, lot of ministers, there are lot of post authorities are there, and including the king also. So due to this reason, we here is used the singular person to single to SP, to DM, between king and other chairperson, etc. But in direct way, anyhow it refers a group 2, 3, 4, 5. So here V is used to express all these authorities also. Next, V is used to refer as chairperson. कोई chairperson है वो अभी अपने को I नहीं कह सकता, V ही कहेगा. He will say himself surely V, not I. If he uses I for self as a authority of the chairperson, then his statement sentence becomes wrong. That is as grammatically a grammatical error. For example, we, the manager, have decided to exempt 10% fees per student. मैनेजर कहते हैं कि हमने हर स्टूडेंट पर को 10% फीस डिस्काउंट इस साल करेंगे या अब करेंगे. So we the manager, he a manager can't say I the manager, no, because with manager there is staff also. So here we gives a sense मैं, but here हम means हम सब. The manager have decided to simply benefit. I think all these are clear. Then comes the number of you. You is also simply used in the sense of thou, that is तुम. You are a good boy, तुम एक अच्छे लड़के हो, बढ़िया लड़के हो, whatever good has not, etc. etc. After that, he is also used in same way. That is the third person masculine gender in the sense of he is my best friend. She is used to refer female dress in the sense of third person word, that is she is a good singer. Okay, there is no doubt in it. Here up to here 7. She. Then remains what? It and they. I shall talk with about all this later. First, I would like to clarify more about all this first and second person. Nominative case. Now till I described how I, we and you is used in the form of nominative case. What are the purposes? For what purposes this I, we, you is used? And whatever for whatever purposes I, we and you nominate is used in the nominative case. In the same way, the objective case, me, us, you, my, mine, our, ours, your, yours, all these are used in the for the same purpose as its nominative case or objective case. I, we and you is used. As for example, here we is used to refer in sense of I. We want to have a cup of tea. Okay, here we in the sense of I, and its possessive case me, my, mine will also can be used here. We want to comfort us. In my, or sorry, in our view or in our opinion, in our thought. Means यहाँ we के साथ जब we आप यूज करो जिस सेंस में, तो वहीं पे us और our, ours, all these are used. In same way, we is used to refer higher authority. If here we have ordered to stop nuisance, here we has been used for the higher authority. But if higher authority says we have decided to increase our salary, so here we will our will use to increase our comfort or to give soothe to us. We, our, us, etc. will use here in same way. Means whatever for purposes I, you is used. In same sentence, if needed, then objective form, possessive form of you will be used in same way simultaneously. Means if we is being used, then us, our hours will be used for possessive and objective. I will use, then I, me, my, mine. You is used, then you will use in this sense. Now, I think it is clear, and there is only some hesitation in the use of we, it, and they. After that, there is no more difficulty in understanding I, you, she, and he. So it is clear. Use of it for what purpose it is used. So first thing, it is used to express all abstract ideas. Example, it is very hot. It is pleasant weather. It is charming scenery. It is love, which made him blind, etc. In this way, you come to know that all abstract ideas are expressed with the help of it. In same way, second number, it is used to express natural objects. Like example, you can say it is a river, or it is river Ganga. Yeah, vice versa is also possible. It is Ganga river. It is tree. It is ocean, etc. In this way, you can express by making the subject it to express the natural objects. Then third use, it is used to express small insects, small animals, and lifeless things. Example, you can say it is pebble. It is pebble. Pebble means conquered. Same way, it is a cat. It is the donkey. It is bee. It is stone, or whatever lifeless things, small animals, insects, etc. are there. It is used for all these. Then it is used to express some noun like, some pronoun, pronoun or noun. इट जो है नाउन या प्रोनाउन को भी व्यक्त करने के लिए यूज हुआ जाता है, किया जाता है। फॉर एग्जांपल इट इज रवि हु स्टोर money. It is who noun. Ravi who stole money. It is he who stole money. It is he again. It is he who stole money. Pronoun. So it is used to the noun or pronoun also. And in this way, I think everything is clear related to it. Now this is they. They is used in all senses as we is used for I or other purposes, or we can say they is used for to substitute he or she. For example, he wants to play, and after this he wants to play full stop. They no. वह खेलना चाहता है। दे हैज गॉन, वे जा चुके हैं। दे हियर कैन ही हैज गॉन, वह खेलना चाहता है, वह जा चुका है। इन सेम वे शी कैन बी यूज हियर in the sense of he she, they can be used here. And you know very well that there is the plural form of he she and it. In this way these are also used. Only what is need to learn about this, keep in mind about this, use about the we, it and little bit they, and there is nothing more need to learn about this. And as he she it is they used in same sense, him her it them his her hers objects etc are used. And you know very well that all nominative case work for the purpose of subject in the sentence. All objective form of sense used to express the objective form of the sentence, and possessive case is used to show the possession and belongingness in the sentence of the one noun with the another noun. And after this, one thing more note to be says, that is the I think last thing. If any sentence starts with it or if verb to be is used and after it noun pronoun comes, then it always comes in nominative case. It must be kept in your mind. मैंने कहा कि यदि कोई सेंटेंस ऐसा है जिसमें वर्ब टू बी, व्हाट इज टू बी वर्ब? Actually you don't know to be verb or whatever the situation. To be verb, so that is and are, was and were. These are the to be form of the verb. And if in sentence verb to be is there and after that noun or pronoun is used, then this noun or pronoun must be in the nominative case, that is in the subjective form. For example, if I say it is, then here you can't say me or he, her or him who stole money. It will be wrong 100%. But you shall have to say it is I oblique she oblique he oblique they oblique we. What I mean? Who stole money? This must be kept in your mind. मीन्स हमने यह बताया इस रूप में कि यदि कोई भी सेंटेंस होता है किसी प्रकार का, यदि इट इज या जो भी यहाँ हो, कुछ भी कंडीशन है, नाउन प्रोनाउन हो सकता है, दैट डज नॉट मैटर हियर, इट इज हियर आई हैव यूज्ड, बट इफ टू बी दैट इज एंड आर वाज वेयर, if anyone in all of this is here and after it pronoun or noun is to be used, then that pronoun must be used in its nominative or subjective form. It should not go or should not be used in any other form, that is in objective or possessive. It will go wrong 100%. It must be only in the nominative or subjective, nominative or subjective form. I think now this is the whole thing whatever I was knowing about the personal pronouns. I have described from yesterday's video to this video, and now I am going to describe other pronoun parts of pronoun types of pronoun. If any problem occurs, then contact me. Something may miss here, but I have tried my best to give to all of you whatever is in my knowledge. Thank you.